Thank you for joining me on another Made by Mitchell eyeshadow pan. This one is ground running, and if you've seen my other videos you'll see that I look at the eyeshadow pans and I go, oh, how do these all go together? And there's absolutely no different with this one. So here goes. Ta-ta! Oh, let me take that one. So we have quite an arrangement of colours here, to be honest. So should we get on with it? I think I'm going to go, now that I've had a few seconds to look at it. Let's go with that all over to start off with. This one's called PH. So we've got Clayed Up, PH, Treasured, Cacao and Ebony. So let's go all over, nice fluffy brush with PH. Wow, it's quite heavily pigmented as well. I did an under painting earlier, which is the reason why my face is already all made up, apart from the eyes. Okay, so that's quite a interesting look. I keep looking off. It's because my mirror is right there. Okay, I'm kind of okay with that. I might bring that back in to do some highlighty bits afterwards. So, it's quite nice. And that was PH. I'm going to go with this brush, slightly angled. I'm not overly precious about brushes, it's just that the same ones seem to do a good job for certain jobs, for certain things on the eye. So, Clayed Up, quite an orangey, and I'm going to go over this bit, just up there. Oh, I kind of quite like that. Yeah, I like that. It's nice, isn't it? Just a gentle, just on that bit. I need my eyebrows doing as well, I know. I'm just letting them grow a bit before I let anyone loose on them. Because if I don't give them enough to play with, they tend to want to give me a couple of skinny caterpillars, and I'm not having that because I like them fat and bushy, just nicely shaped, and I can't do that myself usually. Right, so I think that's quite a nice base there. Now, with the same brush, with the same brush, I'm gonna see if we can work with this cacao. Do a bit of blending. Oh, that's really pretty. I must say, I'm getting more confident with looking at palettes and thinking, no, I do always think at first, how on earth do they all go together? But you just got to trust the process, right? And just do it. And I mean, that's looking really quite nice, quite sultry. Actually, I like this cacao. It's kind of reddy brown. I'm certainly taking that one underneath. So I am going to use, no, that's too much, that one. This one, can you see that? That one's going underneath. I like that one a lot. I find it easier to do this bottom bit, closing your eyes. You've got your natural guide of the top lashes. Won't let you go any further up into the eye. How are we liking that? I love it. Once again, another palette that I looked at and thought, that's not going to work for me, but it works so good for me. I love it. Let's do a little bit more blending. Oh yeah, so nice, so nice. I'm so into this one. Ebony, the one on the end, so that was the cacao, was the one I used on the outsides to do some blending. So Ebony you would think was really, really dark, and actually it's not that dark. Got a little bit of fallout there. That's probably my fault because I didn't tap it, did I? Get lost. Okay. Pretend that's not there. That's because I normally use a swirl kit, and it turns it into a bit of a cream, so you don't get the fallout when you're using it like this. I'm loving it, love it so much. I am going to give myself a little bit of a highlighter thing with the pH again, this one. I'm gonna go in there. There's, God, I picked up a lot there. That's looking so good. Yeah, I love it. So good. Right, that's the whole pan used. I am now thinking, should I'm gonna put my finger in there. Just go along there, see. You're probably thinking, you really don't want to highlight those bushies. I like a lot. And we're going to finish off with a rich brown lash lift sculptured by Amy. And it's in rich brown. Did I say that already? Yeah, I think I did. So I must say, ground running, I really like it. Let me know what you think. I really like what I've done, but you're probably thinking, oh no, I would have done something else. And this is really quite elegant for the daytime and could easily take you into the night. However, we like a bit of sparkle. So this middle one called Treasured, got to add it in. And actually, if I could find my swirl kit, I'd make it more watery so that I could just pick it up with the fat of my finger and go like that a little bit. Oh, okay, let's see what I've done there. That's okay, that's all right. No biggie, let it dry. But look how lovely that is. Ignore my smudged eye. No, eye. So ignore my smudged eye for now, don't look at that side. Because I'll take it off as soon as it dries. And do a nice picture with it, without it like that. So that's the sparkly Treasured, which Yes, it's pretty. It's really nice. What do we think? What colour lippy? Yeah, I think so. Brownie ready. It's a very pretty eyeshadow combination. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me, and have a lovely day.